Probably one of the hardest days of my life. I'm absolutely exhausted. Man, this is the one-way ticket right now. And one of the portages, I think it took about 3 hours hiking with such a heavy boat, and I was dead, like completely finished mentally, physically. Yeah, I think listening to other people's stories from the past expeditions, it makes you a little bit nervous because you hear what went wrong, not really what went right. Some scary moments, but some really enjoyable moments, and the relief to get to the takeout, it's an amazing achievement for me.